Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. I'd like to show you one of my page kits. This is the Tower of Terror page kit number 55. You can find this in my online Etsy shop. I will put the link below in the description of this video. So please check that out if you'd like to purchase one of my kits. I just wanted to give you a close look on the page and to show you the dimension. Now you can glue these on flat. I just like to use the dimensional foam squares and pop it up. Now a lot of people have asked me if this is the paper. This is not. This is an 8x10 photo that we purchased from after going on the ride. So there is a photo mat for an 8x10 photo if you have one of these as well. But if not, feel free to cut it down to whatever size that you need your photos to be. So instead of one large photo, you can add multiple photos on here. That is totally your choice. Nothing is glued down in the kit. So the other side of the page has Mickey as the bellhop on here. Super cute. And let's see. Oh, right here, this little part, yeah, I used a black pen to write the letters. Otherwise, it wouldn't cut out so well if I didn't. And I used a little black pen right there as well. That's also in your instructions in the kit. So let's go ahead and open up a kit so you can see what you receive when you purchase one of these. So the kit comes to you like this. Has a sheet of instructions in there. Let me open it up. Okay, so what you'll receive is a sheet of instructions from me and a photo of the layout. And it also does say on here, you use a fine tip black pen on Mickey's shoulder piece and hat. And if you turn this page over, you'll get an up-close, large, full-color photo of Mickey to help piecing it together. So you're not just looking at this little tiny photo. You do have that in there as well. You will receive 2 solid backing pieces. And I haven't cut the background paper. So all you have to do is use your paper trimmer or scissors and cut off the barcode strip so that it measures 12 by 12 black cardstock. And then you will receive these 2 background pieces that you will need to cut down to 11 3/4 by 11 3/4. Now how I like to do is I'll place this in my paper trimmer. Barcode's on the right. I measure 11 3/4 and cut off, and then I will rotate the cardstock 11 3/4 and cut off. So you're only having to cut 2 sides of each of the background sheets. So here's the large 8x10 photo mat that I was referring to earlier, and then you also get a couple of smaller mats for the other side. These are for the border strips on the bottom, and then the paper piecing part. So we have the title. Comes to you like this, and you just glue them together. I have some paper piecing videos on my YouTube channel. If you have never done paper piecing before, that might help view those. I don't have this exact one, but I do have other ones that you can view if you'd like. And then here's the backing piece to Mickey. And here, oh, here's the letters for the title, of course. They get their own baggies just to kind of help separate, and these are all the pieces for Mickey that you receive. So that is all. That's everything that you get in the kit. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And I hope you like this video. Please click the like button if you do. And please subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like to get notifications that will alert you to every time I post a new video, please click that bell icon next to the subscribe button. And thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.